everybody. So today I'm back with another video. So today's topic is regarding the hygiene or the topic which belongs to female. And also I guess male should also understand these things, because ultimately they will enter into a family, they will experience certain things, so they should also understand what is happening to a woman's body. So both the partners, both the genders should know about these things. So today's topic is regarding white discharge, or in a medical term if I say, is the leucorrhea. So normally what happens in this discharge, normally each and every girl or the lady or the woman, they have a discharge which is normal to the body. But it becomes abnormal when it changes in quantity, that means in amount, or its color, or its odor, or its consistency. So whenever these parameters changes, it becomes abnormal. So usually it's a normal discharge, and usually it will come during the time of puberty. She will experience, because the sexual organs will start developing, and when it develops, it will create a certain discharge. So in a I will say in a technically form, like in a 30-day cycle, usually after menses, or if I say 14th day in a month, 14th day, just before that, the lady will be having a much more quantity, or the discharge will be much more much, I say, it will be like more, okay, in quantity or in amount. And after ovulation, that means after 14th day, the consistency will changes. So based on that consistency, we can predict whether the ovulation has occurred or not. So why I am mentioning is that it's a normal thing which is going inside the body every month. So it is basically depending on the hormonal thing, because lady has to she has to pass with the menstruation, then the ovulation, and then again after some days again the menses. So that is a rhythmic cycle is going inside her body. So it will also happen rhythmically. And also in sexual excitement also a small amount of discharge will be there. So this is normal. So you have to understand when it becomes abnormal. So certain people come visit my dispensary telling they have intense itching. So one of the main symptom or the indication, if I say, is the intense itching over the genital area or the vulval area. That means the private parts of the lady. That means intense itching will be there because of the quantity. Second thing is the color. Usually it's a white or a transparent color, but it changes its color due to infections. It can be whitish, it can be yellowish, it can be greenish. So when its color changes, it means infection is there. So infection can be bacterial or fungal. So we have to do microscopic test, then only we can identify what kind of infection it is. But based on the color, we can predict it's an infection. Third thing is that some of the ladies experience bleeding. Bleeding means not during the time of menses, but in between of the menses. So the discharge will be blood tinged. Some blood particles, or we can say a bloody thing will be there with the discharge. That means more infection is there. Fourth category of the symptom will be like pain. Some people experience pain in the lower abdomen. So these are the main symptoms or main indication which female as well as the male should know that these things are going on. Okay, so whenever a lady experience any kind of pain in the lower abdomen, try to consult a doctor. It can be urinary infection, it can be pelvic infection, it can be ureteric or the uterus infection. We don't know what is happening. So it's a combination of things which is going on. So it's very important personal hygiene. Okay. Next thing I would like to say about the treatment. Before that, you should know the vagina clear itself. So you don't have to clean too much of the private part with soap, with lots of lotions are there, body lotions are there. Nothing is needed for that thing. Our vagina as well as our the eye used to clean themselves. So only a mild, if I say mild soap can do, or warm water is just enough to clean the vagina. But after menstruation, it's better to clean the vagina with warm water. That's enough, because vagina itself has bacteria which used to protect those area. And if we forcefully, if we use lots of soap cleaning those parts, it will harm. It will automatically reduce those bacteria which is useful to our body. It's better try to minimize that wash. Okay. Second thing is that try to hydrate yourself. It's very important to hydrate. Consume lots of water, lots of nutrients food. That is very important. People used to visit and they say they have these symptoms. Itching is there, lots of problems are there. If I ask them whether they used to drink water, most of them don't drink water. They used to have lots of non-veg food. So try to avoid non-veg food, fatty food, and try to regulate your diet. It's very important. Vitamin rich food you have to take, minerals rich food you have to take, plus hydrate yourself. That is very, very important. Third thing is important. Some of the discharges used to stain our undergarments. Lots of people have said to me that there is a staining in the in their panties. That means a kind of corrosion is there. So what is happening is that this automatically in this discharge bacteria is there. That's why this corroding or the discoloration in the panties is there. So if any lady experience these things, try to consult your doctor. It is curable. These discharges are normal. We can regulate it with our medication. And if you Google anywhere, you can easily find the remedies. And if you Google homeopathic medicine do wonders in Leucorrhoea. So if you have any problem, try to consult homeopathic medicine. They do wonders in that. Okay. So these are the things which I want to discuss with you, because in our society majority of people are experiencing these things. Majority of ladies are experiencing these things. And they're coming, but they hesitate to tell. So if you are experiencing, try to do these things. Certain measures are very important. And to eat healthy, stay healthy, and if you find any kind of difficulty, consult your doctor. Till then, do like, do share, do comment, and do subscribe my channel. Till then.